Hello everybody, G Loves Trains here and welcome to day 9 of my vlog series exploring the northwest by train. I hope there's an over 3 there. Today we are going to Newton-le-Willows, Earlestown, St Helens Junction, Lea Green, Rainhill and Whiston. I am hoping for my first 323. I believe they do run down that line to Liverpool, so yeah, hopefully we can get to one. And also have a little ride on my favourite train, hopefully as well. On the way down to Warrington just then, I just missed out, I just spat everywhere as well, I just missed out on getting the Avanti liveried Pender 390 156. Damn! Still not feeling it yet. On the train now, it is 105 127. This sexy Wexy was giving me a lovely bum massage just then. I will happily have one of those again. We're at Newton-le-Willows. It is 2 platforms, Northern Station and Transpennine Express and TFW come here also. Just seen a new, refurbished 323. Ooh, I really want to get one today. Just gonna quickly go and explore Newton-le-Willows and then get back, hopefully make it back in time for my favourite train. I don't know where I'm going. What's in Newton-le-Willows? Let's see. Never mind exploring Newton-le-Willows. Look at this station, the front of it. It's a lovely station. And it's sunny, we can actually do some sunbathing today. The amount of times I've walked up and down this road now, can't seem to escape the station at the moment. I will find the way eventually. Right, I think it's this way now. Okay, so Newton-le-Willows is a really difficult place to manoeuvre yourself around. They need some signs up because I cannot find the way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go get this TFW now to Earlestown. Yeah, apparently there's a lake that way and a park that way. And there's a train going past, can't see it. But yeah, I'm going to go get this train now anyway. Getting on the train now, I'll be 175 111. Earlestown. 5 platforms, Northern Station, TFW as well. So Earlestown is a really bizarre station. I've never quite been to a station like this, so it sort of from here looks like a triangle shape. It's like 2 tracks there, 2 tracks there. I'm gonna see if I can find. Well, we came off on platform 5. I was going to say the 5th platform, but it'll be the 1st platform. Right, let's go find where these platforms are anyhow. There's a train just gone through. I don't know if they're stopping. This is so bizarre. Where are the platforms? Okay, so this is... Oh. Okay, so I found plat 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, I'll show you those now. Are you ready? So these are platforms 1 and 2. Platform 3. and platforms 4 and 5. I'm funkied out by this station. It's like 2 stations in one. So you have the platforms 4 and 5 down that way, and then you got to walk along here to get to 1, 2, and then over a bit for 3. Yeah. Would you forgive me? Also on the 4 and 5 part of the station, the signs are northern signs, and on the 1, 2, 3 they are Merseyrail signs. So basically at Earlestown I've just been walking between the 2 sides of the station. Lovely walk. I prefer the 4-5 side though, obviously, because my favourite trains go through there. The train is coming in now, and it is my first ever 323. It is 323 225. I know, but how have I never been on a 323 before? I don't know either. But hey, my first time. So just come off my first 323. Not sure what I'll make of those trains yet. It was too short of a ride to say. But when I was getting on, the button didn't light up. It was a strange button to press. But yeah, I know there's refurbished ones of those, nice and shiny. See if we can get one of those as well. St Helens Junction, it is 2 platforms, northern only. I am Bryn. We're on 323 229. It is a refurbed one. Whoop! I'll see you guys at Lea Green. Lea Green, it's 2 platforms, northern station, and TPE stop here as well. Lea Green, the birds are out, the sun's out, and there's something very important you've got to do if you get off the platform at Lea Green. You know what it is? When you're at Lea Green, you put your knickers on your head, you put your knickers on your head, you put your knickers on your head. When you're at Lea Green, you put your knickers on your head, and you shout, "Squishy boobies!" Give us a honk, you filthy bugger. It's alright, I forgive you. Vlogging, we were in a sandstorm and little grains of sand got stuck in the camera lens cover thingy for Bobby. So what I did was I got this like packet. It was sort of like thick paper, some would say card, not quite card, I'm not sure what it was, but I just kind of swiped it along the gaps in the camera lens cover thingy bobby, and hey presto, I've got a fully functioning lens. I mean, it gets stuck a little bit because there are grains of sand still in it, but it's going back in place really easy now. See it? Say it! Sorry, Ed. Been at Lea Green for like an hour now. It was supposed to only be half an hour, but no, I didn't miss the train. The train I'm supposed to be getting on is mega delayed, and then the train after that, which I thought was gonna be here and gonna have me down further down the line by now, seems to be delayed as well, so I don't know what's going on. Well, hey, it's finally here now, and guess what it is? It's a filthy bugger. Can't see the number, wait. 319 381. No wonder it's mega delayed. Filthy bugger. We're at Rainhill. It's not raining. There's no hill. There is a filthy bugger. Go on, get out of here. Probably the one that didn't honk at me before. 2 platforms, northern trains. Got the old carriage to myself here. Woo! Party! Didn't spend long at Rainhill. Just got off the train. It was 319 385, and we're now at Whiston. Can you guess? 2 platforms, northern trains. Splurge on your holes, skimp off the train. So I made it, final stop, Whiston. That brings us to the end. I keep seeing these Novas whizzing past and I've yet to go on a Nova. I really want to try and get on one on the way back, but not so sure if I will be able to. We'll see, I'll let you know. Just a quick add-in, I will not be getting a Nova on the way back. Yeah, so I think that's it. The sun's out, it's bloody lovely. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you then. Bye bye.